I'm Michaela, the sous chef at Dirt Candy, and today we're going to be making the corn tamale. The plate starts with some corn puree. It's just blended corn and some salt. Super simple, great corn flavor. We also have this mole that we don't want to fully overpower the corn dish. So having that sweet, pure corn flavor really helps. This is Maria's dish, and it was the first mole she's ever made, which she is Mexican, so it was like a really exciting thing for her to do. But it's like different, I guess, than traditional moles. The chilies aren't actually toasted, all the spices and everything else is, because it doesn't serve that like same super bitter purpose, I guess, for us. And then we also do some dots of this, which is ají amarillo puree, which is just the straight spice. So we do a lot less of these. And then to help balance with all of the spice that's happening in the other dots, we do a crema, regular dairy. But yes, if we have vegans, then we have a vegan crema, which is pretty much a vegan sour cream. And then when the dots are done, we put on a little bit of this corn salsa verde. It's also inside of the tamale, but just to really make sure. This is cilantro, onions, fresh garlic, a little bit of oil, salt, and corn. And then we take some raw baby corn slices and throw them on. I love them because they look like little daisies. And then we also do some finger limes to give the little like pop of lime instead of a wedge of lime. It's fun. And then the plate also gets some queso fresco. You just sprinkle around. And then the star of this plate is our corn tamale. So here is the corn inside of its mold. Underneath, you will see that it's made with masa and a little bit of corn stock that we make here, which gets smoked corn cobs, mustard seeds. And then inside is actually a grilled baby corn and some salsa verde. And then we put just a teeny tiny line so that we can stick on our beautiful micro cilantro. And we just kind of lay it on like that so that it looks like the corn husk is still kind of on the corn. And then we just transfer it over. And that's our corn tamale. We have made corn, filled it with corn, and we've made it out of corn. And then we put it on top of corn, dress it with corn.